Hello fuckers, Archibald Chesterfield III, and I love my vintage aircraft, and I love my horology, and it's fascinating. I really love the way aircraft and horology ties in together. I love the way it's done, and let's face it fuckers, it's a wonderful expression of mankind and freedom, fuckers, freedom. You might have a middle-class job. You might have a nasty fucking boss. You might have a nagging bitch of a wife. You might have maintenance, alimony, payments to pay, but fuckers, with the right piece of horology, you can be that international man of mystery. That's right, fuckers. You buy the right timepiece, and instead of being a corporate drone that everyone depends on, you can be an international jet setter, fuckers. An international jet setter jetting around the fucking world, fuckers. Around the world, that's right. And it's an interesting thing to talk about. Let's be honest, we don't want to be accountants. We don't want to be product brand managers, purchasing officers. We want to be international groovy playboys. And we buy products to tell the world that, yes, we might be stuck in a business suit. We might be a purchasing officer for a third-rate corporate. But we really wanted to be an international jet setter, an international man of mystery. And it can get no better than being a pilot, fuckers. A pilot, that's right. And by wearing our Breitling wristwatch, we're telling the world, no, fuckers, we're not just in accounts. We really have aspirations of being an international man of mystery. The same can be said, fuckers, for a Rolex GMT or a Rolex Explorer 2 wearer. He might have mortgage payments. He might be stuck in a lower middle management role. It doesn't matter, fuckers. It doesn't matter.